everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new tutorial. In this following video, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to withdraw from Prizepicks. To withdraw from Prizepicks, you just have to follow the simple steps. So first thing first, what you want to do is go ahead and open up your Prizepicks application, and from the Prizepicks, when you're logged in, tap on the tab bar icon from the top right hand side corner. Then next thing what you want to do is click on request withdrawal. As you click on request withdrawal, you'll be taken to this page where you have to go ahead and select withdraw funds. Now select the method of withdrawing funds. I'm gonna go with the credit card and enter in the exact amount. Once I've actually done it, so click on withdraw. As you click on withdraw, a confirmation code will be sent through an email, so which you have to enter in that. As soon as you enter in that information, you'll be notified that you've successfully withdrawn from Prizepicks. So this way you'll be able to withdraw from Prizepicks. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.